Rejection doesn't mean you're a bad person. It doesn't mean that you're not worthy of love. When someone rejects us, we often perceive it in a way that maybe I'm ugly, maybe I'm not worthy of love, maybe I'm not that attractive, not that cute. That's why they rejected me. You need to understand that this is a part of very basic human tendencies. When someone rejects you, it simply means they didn't find a connection with you. Maybe they didn't find a vibe with you. That's why they said no to you. And this usually happens in friendships also, where we don't find someone at the same frequency we are at the same level we are at the same intelligence. We often don't like that person. Sometimes we find people clingy, pessimistic, very different. Out of 8.3 billion people on this earth, neither everybody is supposed to like you nor you're supposed to like everybody. This is not something to distress about. This is not defining your worth. Someone will find you attractive, someone will find you spiritual, someone will find you mature, someone will find your nature very lovable, someone will find you very envious, someone will find you chaotic. Everyone has something to say about us. Rejection doesn't mean you're a bad person. It doesn't mean that you are not worthy of love. It is just a part of human nature. If you take things personally, it is definitely going to hurt you. When you redirect your rejection, you can drastically change your life. When someone rejects you, when someone says no to you, when someone criticizes you, you need to accept that in a good way. Why I'm saying so? Because when you perceive things in a good way, maybe if you improve upon that thing, this might work in your favor. You need to figure it out. Is there something to work upon? Is there something that is really lacking within me? And if I work upon that, maybe I can flourish, maybe I can, be a good person, maybe I can improve in my life. If you really want to grow in life, you need to accept, you need to ingrain this mindset in your life. This doesn't mean you are unworthy of something. This is not defining your worth, or nothing can define your worth. Just because we often overlook our own shortcomings. If someone is highlighting that, you need to ruminate upon it rather than attaching your ego, your insecurities, your pessimistic thoughts. If you work on it with optimistic mindset, you can literally change yourself. You cannot be everyone's favorite person, even though you are most beautiful, most attractive, most wealthy person on this earth. This cannot happen. You can be anything, but everyone will not find a vibe with you. Some will see something good, some will see something bad about you, but you don't need to define your worth on those factors. You need to accept genuine or valid criticism. You need to accept rejections. You need to inculcate that this is human nature. This is what I also do. This is not something like out of blue. What is different about it? If you like somebody, if you like something, they rejected you, that's okay. There will be something that will be for you, that is there for you, only for you. See it in a positive, in a good way, and it will change your life.